I don't know. Dylan's going first.
Ready?
Dylan's going first.
Okay.
First.
This one's mine.
Dylan's going first. This one's mine.
Okay, photobombers, get out of the way.
Whoa, what? Is that my turn?
Horrible geography.
Is it my turn, Mom?
Horrible geography.
That's funny.
What's so horrible about it?
Wild animals.
He speed read it. He's done.
Hey, Evan, that's for both you and Aiden, not just you.
All right,
Aiden, you and me get to unwrap.
Aiden, grab that one and rip into it with Evan. Oh wow!
Yes?
Ashlyn, you're photobombing again. Get out of the way.
Wow!
Oh, yeah. This is the dirt?
Ashley, which one is yours?
Oh, wait. Who's this?
That case looks like a place
Here.
to play with it all.
Is that mine?
Yep. Open it.
Wait, Ashlyn, you need to turn around so I can see you.
You need to open up the rest of the presents. Where was the pink bear come from?
Is it my turn to open this present?
Hey, she got you a watch. You've
Wow.
never had a watch before.
Ashlyn's first watch.
Yep, Ashlyn's first watch. Aiden gets a watch? Nope, I got a watch.
Nice.
And little hair clips. However those go.
What else is in there, Ashlyn?
Ooh. It's a hat.
A butterfly hair clip?
Caught a penguin.
Look at that.
Lots of stuff, Ashlyn.
Please get to it.
Picture me. Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
What is it? Oh.
How much does my watch worth?
Made him hair stuff. Where's Paxton?
He's over there, next to the train table.
He's
Nice.
For me?
What is it? I think
Is
it's
it edible?
Chocolate. Yes, yes. Very edible.
Irish whiskey chocolate.
Never heard of it. Okay, now we gotta spin it around.
Paxton's got two presents. Are one of them supposed to be birthday presents?
Wow. Brooke, let them go.
Let him go. What is it?
You got me an Elmo one.
It's the curtains she's been hoarding and telling me are hers.
Ooh.
It's okay.
Unless she found them on eBay somewhere.
Is that everyone?
No. Paxton has
No,
two
silly Paxton.
that is for his birthday.
Jackson.
One of them's a birthday present. I missed that. What's that?
Seed packet.
Irish wildflower mix? Ooh.
Destroy.
Clearly he doesn't care. Oh, look, baby, it's a blankie for you.
Where are the
Your favorite blankies.
Where are the rest of your blankets? I found my baby's baby.
Oh, someone's sack. This is all my presents. You want to save this one?
What is that?
Another one for Paxton.
No, let him open it.
Want to help him open it?
No, take him back. It's getting too close.
Mom, when do I get to open all
Oh,
my
it's just like
presents?
Christmas. Woo! Ooh. Bill, can you pick up all this wrapping stuff, please?
Nice, you just steal it from him. All he wants is the tag.
Ooh. I think that's everything.
I can't get the Debbie to shine.
You can't. You have to press his toes. Right there.
Evan, you want to open it? You want to open another one?
Yeah. I want to open another one. Only this one is for
Can you
everybody.
pick up one of your great stuff, please? I'll just
No,
have to
wait.
rough
It
these
is?
things up. To Aiden.
No, it says to Aiden.
Yep, it says from Mom and Dolan. It says from. It says from Dolan and Mom to Aiden.
It does.
Open it in. Open it.
Over here, Aiden.
Okay.
Paxton likes the dragon.
Whoa.
It's a builder book.
That's a cool builder book.
It's called Roadwork.
Somehow they make the road.
Aww, Dylan gave you a sled, and it's green. How thoughtful of him. Do not push buttons on my camera. No.
The snack crate.
Someone like little baby doll now.
Nope.
Ooh.
Oh, baby food for your baby doll.
Me?
Is it my turn again?
I don't know, is it? Oh, what's the matter? Caitlin can't touch the glitter present?
No.
It says
Hang on.
to Ashlyn.
Who's that?
Mom.
To Dylan from Dad.
This one is mine.
That's fun.
Yes, it is.
It says from Ashlyn.
What's that?
I mean,
From the
it
Perrys.
says-
The Perry's got you the bolt pen.
From Mom.
Now we have two of them.
Ooh, an apple for my baby.
You can't hold that. An apple.
Mom, can you please open this?
What'd you get, Dill? You got a shoe?
One shoe.
A right shoe.
Oh, good thing there's a pair.
All of these guys are expensive.
Here you go, Ashley. Don't forget the spoon.
Because he is standing right in front of his mouth.
I know what one of them is. He's Dylan told me.
What?
What are you saying? Oh, and I know what the other one is too.
Do you know what that one is that you're holding?
This one?
Because you're so Snoopy.
Snoopy? No,
Who's
I
it for?
just deducted based on. This one is unlabeled.
Is it really unlabeled? Give it to
It's
Dylan.
for Dylan. It's for Dylan.
Let me see it.
Okay, I got
No. Let me see the label.
And there's nothing on it. Yay!
Give me the present.
Look at what else.
What'd you get?
I got Cookie Crunch.
Cookie Crisp.
Whatever it is.
Dill.
What?
Observe the present. Look very closely.
Jib jab.
Come here and look at it.
Oh. I can't open this.
I don't think you're supposed to.
What is it?
Oh.
Sit down.
Yay!
Is that the $30 set that you wanted from the mail?
$20 and I paid you for it.
$20?
Yep.
$10 for this box.
No, $10 sounds
Are you sure that's what's in it though? It's not making any Lego noise.
Please get the lid off.
You guys have that set already?
No.
Excuse me, don't push buttons on my camera. There will be no guessing what's in that box.
Wild Ophelia's all natural smokehouse barbecue potato chip dark chocolate bar.
Where did you get that from?
The Perry's.
Everybody thinks you're into exotic chocolate.
This is the same manufacturer that bacon chocolate I got from.
Well, what do you get a guy who has everything already?
Sure.
It's going to take Dylan forever to open that.
No, I
You deserve it.
tool.
Because it took me forever to wrap that.
As old as time itself.
No.
What are you eating? Cookie Crisp?
Whatever it's called.
Is that the one that had the little bandit in the commercials? Remember?
Yeah.
This goes
It's
in
the story of Christmas.
Guys, look what I. Not my turn.
That's right.
That's amazing.
I know. Do the boys even care to have a turn right now?
Guys, look what I got.
Take a turn. I'll play on the present. I don't know if I have any more.
Wait. Open this for the
There's another unlabeled one.
this is the dirt.
It's for everyone.
Strange.
What does it smell like? What does it taste like?
What's wrapping paper? He's like 2. That's gross, Dylan.
It's for everyone, so everyone should open it.
Right. Everyone grab a corner. Start turn.
Wait, what is
Looks like marmot. Marmot.
That's Kicklin's.
Oh,
That's
that's the
For everybody.
that's the
Unless you
light
wanna share
wrapping
your long
paper.
underwear.
Yeah.
Read it all my story. Look,
Thanks.
Daddy.
Daddy must have wrapped that
Oh,
since it
nice
was unlabeled.
story.
I wonder I had no clue what it was.
Dad, let me see.
I think it's like that too. It's a wrecking ball. Okay.
It says, do you know
Evan,
why we give
come on, you
gifts
guys.
at Christmas?
What?
We give presents because it's
What was
Jesus.
that?
Wow,
I was trying to open the door.
nice.
You're trying to open a bag of dirt to bring into the living room.
Ashlyn.
It wasn't really.
Hey, what is the logic in that?
Turn the page.
I know.
Hang on.
Really, there's really dirt in there.
Yeah.
That was me. No, it's baked dirt, Mom.
It's
not
fake dirt.
fake
It looks
to
like
me.
real dirt to me, and it's all over the floor now.
How do you work it, Mom? Daddy?
Well, we're gonna have to teach you how to tell time now. Now that you got your purple watch.
Okay, Ashlyn, go open the other present for you.
Oh, shit.
The big one. With Snoopy. Yes.
All right. Now I know. Dolan, I found out how to put this on.
Is she having issues?
Should you help Evan?
Hey, Dolan, just look right here. Look.
What is it, Ashlyn? A cappuccino maker, a teapot, and a toaster. You got small kitchen appliances.
Toasters, blenders. Please don't play with that in there. Bring
Baby.
it into the kitchen and place it on the table. So I can sweep it up tonight.
Ashlyn, you can make me a cappuccino.
I'll have an iced hazelnut macchiato.
Try saying, can you please help me? Maybe. Okay, everybody look at the camera and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I got coffee.
Don't yell in my ear, sorry.